All right. I love quick AI tip for the day. I love free APIs. This website's great. Free API list. Let's do free APIs without keys. Public APIs, cat facts. I'm going to do an example folder. Let's just create a flow. Daily board. Okay, I'm going to go through this little quick sequence. I'm going to do an API caller right here, a little node. And all I'm going to put in is cat facts. Okay, so we're going to get random cat facts. Connect to there, get a random cat fact. Then we're going to use AI. This whole system is built on AI workflows. So chain to the next step. I'm going to say write an image prompt for this cat fact. Write an image prompt for Midjourney for this cat fact. And I'm going to dump right here the connection. This is what came back. Female cat is called a queen or a Molly. Great. Let's send that in here. Content, I'm using GPT-4. I could use Anthropic or Google Gemini. I'm just going to use OpenAI here. And I'm going to run. It's going to create an image prompt. Now, let's go do an image generator. So I don't want to use OpenAI. I want to use Stable Diffusion. So Stability AI, I could use OpenAI. Let's use Stability AI. And now let's take this prompt, throw it into the image here, and just say, go, run prompt. And I'm going to get an image, and then I'm going to say, hey, let's email me API output. I'm going to put this as, here's the queen cat as an attachment on the email. I'm going to send this as an email, brad@enhance.ai, and daily cat fact. Great. Now, last thing, I want to know what this fact is. I could just dump this data back, but I don't like the way it looks. So I'm going to put it in here in my content. And I'm going to say, hey, this is an API response with a cat fact. Reply with only the fact from this content, not the coding. Let's see what it does. Female cat is called Queen or Molly. Great. It cleaned it all up. It didn't have all that extra text in there. All the extra text that it's showing is in this thing. So I'm going to now throw that in as the cat fact. There's the cat. There's the fact. It's going to send me an email. And I'm going to now say, run, auto trigger. Let's run every day let's do it when I wake up. Just kidding. After I wake up. Actually, 9. Let's make it 9:10. That's a good time. Make it 9:10 every day. But I could also try it and just say go. Now it's going to run. Here's my new cat fact. It's been scientifically proven that owning cats is good and healthy and can decrease the occurrence of high blood pressure or other illnesses. So it's now running something about high blood pressure. Oh, I forgot to connect that one. So now that's going to run every time. One more time. You always test these things before you push them out. What's the fact? Both humans and cats have identical regions for emotional responses in the brain. Oh, that's going to be interesting. Cool. Some brain image. And then it sent me an email. Cool. That's it.